Yesterday, we faced a real security incident on one of our client servers. And honestly, this is exactly the kind of situation where server investigation becomes stressful. A developer was working on a new feature. Everything looked normal. But then, he noticed something unusual in the client's GitHub repository. An unwanted third-party script had been added into the project and tried to use that access to reach the server. This was not a normal bug. This was a security incident. So we opened CtrlOps, connected to the affected server, and went directly into the AI terminal. Now, normally in this kind of situation, you have to investigate everything manually. You check running processes. You check temporary files. You check package files. That can take hours. But with CtrlOps, we handled it differently. We simply explained the situation to CtrlOps AI. We told it that an unwanted script had been added, and we needed to investigate what happened, where it was added, whether it was running, what impact it had, and what steps we should take next. From there, CtrlOps started the investigation. It checked active processes. It checked suspicious files. It checked temporary folders. It checked whether the unwanted script was still present. It checked package level changes. It checked possible persistence points. And it checked server access patterns. Step by step, with full visibility. After completing the investigation, CtrlOps prepared a detailed security incident report. The report explained what happened, which suspicious script was injected, where it was found, when the suspicious change happened, and what the current impact was. It also showed whether anything was still running on the server, whether there were active signs of compromise, and what needed immediate attention. Then, CtrlOps gave us clear remediation steps: what to remove, what access to review, what keys to revoke, what files to clean, and what repository changes needed to be audited. Now imagine doing this without CtrlOps. You would need to know every command. You would need to inspect every file manually. You would need to understand server processes, logs, access, package files, and history, and then still prepare a clean report for the team and the client. That is not a 5-minute job. That is hours of work. But with CtrlOps AI Terminal, we completed the investigation and got a structured report in around 10 minutes. That is the real power of CtrlOps, to help developers, founders, and teams manage servers with confidence, especially when things go wrong.